This is a pretty easy question, and I don't think you need an explanation for this. Angle sum property goes on to say that angle 1 and angle 2 and angle 3 when clubbed together give 180 degrees. Now I have 41 and 48 on hand. All I need is angle 3. Therefore angle 3 equals 180 minus 89, which is 91 degree. The second sum says it is a right angle triangle and one acute angle is half of the other. If this is x, this may be x by 2, or the other way around, whatever it may be. Now in terms of x, it is quite easy to arrive at the answer. This will be 90 if this goes the other side, and this will be 3x by 2 equals 90. 3 ones, 3 30s, and x will be 60 degrees. So if one angle is 60, the other will be 30. The next one is the angles are in the ratio of 5, 6 and 7. Now find the angles. The sum of angles will be 13 and 5, 18. Therefore 5 by 18 of 180 will be angle 1, which is nothing but 50 degrees. Is first angle. And the next angle will be a similar pattern, and therefore it is 60 degrees. The third one will be 70. The next sum says the angles are so and so, find x and give name once the x is established. As we know, the equation goes like this. The angle sum property, I am adding all the angles to arrive at 180 degrees. The sum is 180. Therefore 2 and 4x, and this is 50 and 80, 180. If this goes here, it becomes negative, and therefore it is 100, and x is obviously 25. Now here it is 35, and here it is 65, and here it is 80 degrees. 3 different angles gives 3 different sides. Therefore it is a scalene triangle. But the question seems to have gone wrong here. It is negative of 30, and if that is so, the entire math would be 50 minus will give 20, and here the answer will be 160, and x value will be obviously 40 degrees. Now let me do it again. This will be 50, this will be 80, and this will be 50. If two angles are equal, obviously the opposite sides will also be equal, and the triangle would be isosceles triangle. Making a problem out of different values have given two different kinds of triangles, and I hope you have gotten some more knowledge out of my mistake.